Hey, how's it going, everyone? I just wanted to make a quick announcement. So basically, I just want to say that I decided to start taking content creation a bit more seriously. As you can see here, I have a new mic. I have new headphones to monitor my voice to make sure the audio is good. I'm learning how to utilize Premiere Pro, as you can see on the monitor. The kind of videos you can expect from me are PC building videos, maybe some reviews here and there, but mainly PC building videos. I'm sorry. I'm really nervous if I'm like fumbling with my words. I'm sorry. But yeah, those are the kind of videos that you can expect from me. Um, there's gonna be giveaways. I might not give away a PC right at the beginning, but definitely I'll be giving away air coolers, RAM, NVMe drives, things like that. So hopefully y'all will stick around with me and watch this channel grow together with me. All right. Thank you for hearing me out. Y'all have a good night. Bye.